Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll look at some cheap tow truck services here in Chicago. When your car breaks down on the side of a busy highway, you don't want to wait around until someone comes along to help you. If you're lucky enough to find a friendly stranger who happens to be driving by, then great. But what if no one is passing by? What if you've got a flat tire and you can't even move your car? Then you'll need a tow truck. Join me as I take you through the different cheap truck services here in Chicago. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. There are several reasons why people may need their cars towed. Maybe their car may have broken down by the side of the road, or they may have been involved in an accident. Whatever the reason, if your vehicle needs to be towed, then you should call a tow truck company. In this video, we will discuss some cheap tow truck services here in Chicago. You can find different types of tow trucks out there, but not all tow trucks are created equal. Do you want to ensure that you choose a tow truck service with the right equipment and experience to get your car back on the road safely? I will be explaining everything you need to know in this video. There are many tow truck companies in Chicago. Some of these tow truck companies in Chicago have been around for a while. Others are newer companies that have opened their doors in recent years. All tow truck companies in Chicago are licensed and insured. Let's dive in to see the cheapest tow truck services here in Chicago. 1. XL Towing Chicago has been serving the Chicagoland area since 2005. The company is proud to offer its customers the best service at affordable prices. Its goal is to provide exceptional customer service while maintaining the highest level of safety and professionalism. They specialize in heavy-duty towing services, including flatbeds, dump trucks, semi-trucks, and other large vehicles. If your vehicle needs to be towed, they can help. 2. A1 Gold Coast Towing is a professional towing company that provides emergency roadside assistance services throughout the United States. They are licensed and insured, and their fleet includes trucks with the latest tools and technology. They offer 24/7 towing service, including weekend and holiday hours. They can handle any type of vehicle, from cars to heavy-duty commercial vehicles. If your car breaks down, they'll get you back on the road as soon as possible. Their towing services include flat tire change, jump start, and lockout service. 3. CDM Towing and Trucking has been providing quality service since 2021. They are licensed and insured and have a reputation for being honest, reliable, and professional. Their tow trucks are equipped with the latest technology and safety equipment. They offer 24/7 emergency roadside assistance, flatbed truck rentals, and vehicle storage. 4. CJ Towing and Recovery. They provide local and long-distance towing services based in the Chicagoland area. CJ Towing and Recovery offers 24-hour emergency roadside assistance, towing services, flatbed truck rentals, and auto transport. Their goal is to provide their customers with quality service at affordable rates. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. 5. Emerald Towing and Service. They offer 24-hour emergency roadside assistance, flatbed truck rentals, towing services, and tire changes. They can handle any type of vehicle, including motorcycles, RVs, trucks, cars, and much more. Their tow truck drivers are professional and courteous and always arrive promptly. They are trained to do everything possible to safely get your vehicle back on the road. Call them today if you need help getting home after a long day of work. 6. Chicago 24-Hour Towing is a company that provides emergency roadside assistance services across the United States. They have been providing their services since 2003. Their headquarters are located at 5200 West Belmont Avenue, Suite 300, Chicago, Illinois 60613. 7. Dark Angel Towing and Recovery Incorporated. They are fully licensed and insured and offer 24-hour emergency service. Their tow trucks are equipped with the latest technology, including GPS tracking systems, and their drivers are highly trained professionals with years of industry experience. They provide free courtesy inspections for your vehicle before any repairs are performed. 8. Lang's Towing. They specialize in heavy-duty truck repairs, auto repair, tire services, and emergency roadside assistance. They have a large selection of tires from top brands like Michelin, Bridgestone, Goodyear, Continental, Firestone, and many others. They can handle any type of vehicle, including light trucks, SUVs, vans, cars, motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, and even RVs. 9. A1 Citywide Towing and Relocation Incorporated was established in 2008 and has provided quality service to its clients since then. They are licensed and insured to provide services throughout the entire state of Chicago. Their team consists of highly trained professionals with years of industry experience. They offer 24-hour emergency towing and relocation services. 10. CDM Towing Services. They offer 24-hour emergency roadside assistance, flatbed truck services, car hauling, and auto transport. If you need help getting your vehicle out of a ditch, CDM Towing Services can do that. Their tow trucks are equipped with high-quality equipment, including winches, ramps, and hydraulic jacks. They also carry a wide variety of tools and supplies to get your vehicle back on the road safely. 11. Rivera's Towing Services. They offer 24/7 emergency roadside assistance, flatbed truck rentals, and auto transport services. They can help you move your vehicle from point A to point B safely and efficiently. 12. Tow Services Chicago. Their team is always ready to assist you. It is understandable how stressful situations can be, especially if you are stranded somewhere without transportation. That's why these companies make sure that they do whatever it takes to ensure that you get home safely. 13. Tow Truck Chicago is a company that specializes in towing vehicles. They are based in Chicago, Illinois. Their tow trucks can pull cars, light-duty trucks, heavy-duty trucks, and any other vehicle that needs to be towed. A tow truck is used to pull cars out of ditches and other places where they are stuck. They can also be used to move vehicles damaged in accidents. Tow trucks are usually equipped with a winch that is used to lift heavy loads. 14. Towing Companies Chicago is a group of professional towing services that provide emergency roadside assistance to motorists who have experienced vehicle breakdowns. They offer 24-hour service to ensure that your car is towed safely and efficiently. Their staff members are highly trained and equipped with modern equipment and technology to handle any situation. 15. Towing Services Chicago can help you recover your vehicle from accidents. They are a local company that has been providing reliable services. Their tow truck drivers are highly trained professionals with years of experience working in this industry. They know how to handle any situation that may arise while they are on the road. In conclusion, you should choose a good tow truck service when you need a tow truck. This means choosing a tow truck service that offers quality customer service, reliable equipment, and affordable rates are some things to look for when choosing a tow truck service. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.